Have you ever thought of mixing soap and toothpaste together? It may sound odd, but this DIY trick delivers surprisingly impressive results. Everything you clean with it will sparkle beautifully, and you'll soon wonder why you never tried it before. Begin by grating a small piece of ordinary laundry soap until you have a smooth, powdery texture. You'll need around 4 tablespoons of these fine shavings, which will serve as the base for your homemade cleaner. Before we move on, let me know in the comments which part of the world you're watching from. I love seeing where everyone is joining in. Now, let's continue with the preparation. Pour about 130 to 140 milliliters of hot water into a bowl. Add the grated soap and stir until it dissolves completely. To make the process faster, you can warm the bowl slightly or use the microwave for a few seconds to help melt the soap more quickly. Next comes the toothpaste. Add 4 tablespoons of any kind you have at home. Whether new or expired, it still contains small abrasive elements that make it great for scrubbing surfaces. Then, include 2 tablespoons of baking soda. This ingredient is famous for its gentle yet powerful ability to remove limescale, grease, and stubborn buildup. When you mix these simple components together, you create one of the most effective home tricks for cleaning multiple areas around your home. One of the best ways to use this solution is on faucets covered with limescale. Just apply a bit of the mixture directly to the metal surface and let it rest for around 5 minutes. Afterward, rinse it off with warm water and wipe with a soft microfiber cloth. You'll instantly notice how clean and shiny it looks, almost like new. This do-it-yourself cleaner is equally fantastic for cookware. If your pans are stained or have burnt-on grease, simply spread a thick layer of the paste, let it sit for 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. The soap helps dissolve grease, while the toothpaste scrubs away tough marks. After rinsing, you'll be amazed at how bright and spotless your cookware appears. And that's not all. This homemade paste works wonders on tile grout in the bathroom or kitchen, areas constantly exposed to moisture and mold. Take an old toothbrush, apply the mixture to the grout lines, and scrub gently. After rinsing, you'll see the tiles look cleaner, whiter, and fresher. Over time, tiles tend to lose their brightness due to soap residue and mineral stains. By applying this natural paste to the dirtiest areas and giving them a gentle rub, you can easily restore their shine. Once rinsed, your tiles will gleam again, giving your entire room a clean and renewed appearance.